going on, YouTube? We have a personal box break, not for Andrew this time, but for Rccproductions123. Good luck. They are doing Topps Gold Label. I've been dying to rip this. This is brand new. Just came out this past week. Good luck. Alrighty. Let's see what you get. Got my makeshift work area here. Used to have such a bigger desk when I was breaking in my old house. Alrighty. Empty box. Alright, so this is your autograph. So let's start from here and work our way down. Good luck. God, these are gorgeous cards. They really are. Johnny Bench. Matt Ingley. Bo Jackson. We've got a black, I don't know what that's number 2 or if it is numbered, Roberto Clemente. It's a cool looking card. I am a secondary Pirates fan, but I'm a Mets fan through and through first. And Sandy Koufax. Alrighty, Ichiro. Yep, Hideki Matsui. Paul Goldschmidt. We got a red number to 50, Fernando Tatis Jr. rookie card. Nice. Let me go ahead and put that down and sleeve that up for you. Nice pull, man. It's a nice looking rookie. Go ahead and put that next to that. And then the disappointment of Chris Archer. Oh, and there's, speaking of the devil, we got a Pete Alonso rookie on the back here. Mike Trout. Nolan Arenado. Manny Machado. Another black Brendan Rodgers rookie card. Go ahead and put that there. And a Pete Alonso rookie card. Put that there. So far, 3 solid rookie pulls. Luis Severino. Joey Gallo. Juan Soto. Had a nice night tonight. Josh Donaldson, black. And Griffey. Jackie. Good old Jackie Robinson. We got another red coming up. Mark McGuire. Mookie Betts. Or I guess it's different, but it's Max Scherzer 75. Nationals, Astros, World Series. Who do you guys got in the comments? Let me know. Let me know. I still have the Astros, but I have the Astros in 7. All other rookies will be sleeved up as well. And top loaded, honestly. That'll be done after the break. Rookie card of Carter Kierboom. Hope I pronounced that correct. Vlad Jr. rookie. Tanaka. Ted Williams. Is that like a short print or something? And Corey Seager. I don't know. But autograph time. Good luck. Alrighty. Josh Donaldson, Anthony Rizzo, and your auto is that Derek? Yep, Derek Rodriguez is your auto. Gold frame. Oh no, not a bad box. And in my opinion, not a bad box. I love these gold framed cards. I love them. So to go over again, got the Derek Rodriguez, the Vlad Jr. rookie, the Carter Kierboom rookie, Max Scherzer to 75, Pete Alonso rookie, Black Brendan Rodgers rookie, and Fernando Tatis Jr. to 50. Thank you again for the purchase, RCC. We'll be getting those out to you tomorrow.